Nokia 9300 assembly. Be sure to be connected to the earth connection box and your ESD wristband. You will need the following tools: a slotted screwdriver, a Torx and a Torx driver size 6 plus, the SRT6, metal tweezers and the DC plug. The following sequence is for levels 3 and 4 only. Be careful not to bend or damage the RF shield. Attach the flex foil to its connector as shown and check that there is no side play. Ensure the correct positioning of the flex foil before fixing it with its clip. Place the PWB onto the shield, avoiding any mechanical stress to the flex foil. Ensure the correct position of the PWB and insert a new screw. Apply the correct torque to the screw. Insert the hinge screw and apply the correct torque. Connect the wide flex foil and secure it with its clip. Insert the antenna into its compartment and press it lightly into position. Plug the coax connector into the antenna and lay the coax cable exactly as shown. Plug in the other end of the coax cable. Place the microphone into its compartment. Use the DC plug to insert the DC jack. Place the chassis assembly into the B cover, beginning from the right side, and press it lightly into position. Insert new screws with tweezers. Apply the correct torque to all screws in the order shown. Remove any residual old adhesive before reassembling the QWERTY keypad assembly. Insert the new adhesive QWERTY keymat and remove its protective film. Place the QWERTY keymat assembly in the B cover. Insert the command buttons into the C-cover assembly, ensuring their correct positioning. Place the unit in the C-cover assembly and click all the snaps into place. Close the flex foil connector, ensuring its correct position. Insert the LCD module and close its flex foil connector. Insert the earpiece into its compartment. Pay attention to the correct positioning when inserting the power key. Replace the UI shield assembly, ensuring that all clips are positioned correctly. Insert the new screws with tweezers. Apply the correct torque in the order shown. Put the keypad into place and replace the A-cover assembly beginning from the upper left side. Click all snaps into their places. Insert the sealing plug after upgrading the software. Replace the battery cover. Finally, check the window and LCD for cleanliness. The assembly procedure is now complete.